blue color, blue color, green color, green color, red color, red color, black color, black color, yellow color, yellow color, yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring alphabets. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3. T-H-R-W 3. 4. F-O-U-R 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5. F-I-V-E 5. Kids now draw 6. The numbers of 6. And use green color. S-I-X 6. Kids now draw 7. The numbers of 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Kids now draw 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. Kids now draw 10. T-E-N 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11. And use red color. Red color. The numbers of 11. 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. Kids now draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids now draw 15. The numbers of 15. And again use red color. Kids now draw 16. The numbers of 16. And use black color. Black color. Kids again use black color and draw 17. The numbers of 17. Kids now draw 18. The numbers of 18. And again use black color. Kids now draw 19. The numbers of 19. Kids last draw 20. The numbers of 20. Blue color, blue color, yellow color, yellow color, red color, red color, green color, green color, black color, black color, yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane. And use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids now do C. C for cat, C for car. Kids now do D. D for dog, D for doll. And use yellow color. Yellow color. E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids now draw F. F for fish, F for fan. And use red color. Red color. G. G for goat, G for grapes. Kids now draw H. H for hen, H for helicopter. and use green color, green color. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids neither J for joker, J for jackfruit. Kids neither K for kite, K for king. And use black color, black color. Kids neither L for lion, L for lemon. Kids neither M for moon, M for mango. And use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw N for nose, N for nest. Kids neither O for orange, O for octopus. And use red color, red color. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids neither Q for queen, Q for quill. Kids neither R for rose, R for rice. And use yellow color, yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw S for sun, S for snake. Kids neither T for teacher, T for tiger. And use red color, red color. U for umbrella, U for uncle. Kids neither V for van, V for vanilla. And use green color, green color. W for wolf, W for watch. Kids again use green color and draw X for x-ray, X for xylophone. Kids neither Y for yak, Y for yeah. And use black color, black color. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Black color, black color. Green color, green color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids firstly draw A for apple, A for aeroplane. And use red color. Kids now draw B for ball, B for bat. And use yellow color, yellow color. The alphabets of B. Kids neither C for cat, C for car. And use black color, black color. The alphabets of C. Kids neither D for dog, D for doll. And use green color, green color. The alphabets of D. Kids neither E for egg, E for elephant. And use blue color, blue color. The alphabets of E. Kids neither numbers. And firstly draw 1, the numbers of 1. And use red color, red color. O N E 1. Kids night 2. The numbers of 2 and use yellow color. Yellow color. T W O 2. Kids night 3. The numbers of 3 and use black color. Black color. T H R W 3. Kids night 4. The numbers of 4 and use green color. Green color. F O U R 4. Kids night 5. The numbers of 5 and use blue color. Blue color. F I V E 5. Kids night shapes. And first draw square. The shape of square and use red color. Red color. The shape of square. Kids night circle. The shape of circle and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids night triangle. The shape of triangle and use black color. Black color. Kids night heart. The shape of heart and use green color. Green color. Kids last draw Easter. The shape of Easter and use blue color. Blue color. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shapes square, circle, triangle, heart, and star. A is for aeroplane. B is for bus. C is for car. D is for door. E is for egg. F is for fan. G is for guard. H is for helicopter. I is for eyes. J is for joker. K is for kangaroo. L is for lemon. M is for mango. N is for nose. O is for octopus. P is for parrot. Q is for quail. R is for rat. S is for sheep. T is for tiger. U is for uncle. V is for violin. W is for wolf. X is for Xmas tree. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.